Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veil Dog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be making affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're gonna jump right into this. Today we're gonna be making us deep fried Boston butt pork steak. Okay? And AKA pork steak. We're not gonna put any breading on this. I'm just deep frying them as is. But I'm gonna put some seasoning on it, okay? So first we're gonna go in with a little black pepper. It's gonna be a quarter on each side for all. We just go with a little black pepper. Maybe if I turn it this way. Should just put it in my hand. I don't know why I keep doing this. Alright, we're gonna go with some granulated garlic. I love garlic. You see my garlic gone almost. So that's a quarter each side, okay? Not for the whole entire thing, but quarter per side. Alright. And I have some perfect blend Sazon. That's what this is. Put that on there. And I will be using my deep fryer today. I got some grease in there that I'm about ready to get rid of. So I'm going to go ahead and fry these up in there. Okay, just going to pat that in there a little bit. Like so. If you want to rub on it or whatever, you can do that too. Alright, last thing, Sazon, Goya, right here. That's what we're going to be using. Just sprinkle a little of that on there. So we're probably going to be needing 2 packs. Alright, yep, we're going to be needing 2 packs of those. So, we'll go ahead and flip this over. Pat it dry as much as I could after I washed it. We're going to put these in the deep fryer for about, I don't know, I'll let you know the time on that. Because I want mine kind of crispy a little bit. Wash my hands up. I'm going to also be making with this is some macaroni and some green beans. If you want to know how to do that, you can refer back to when I made some turkey, green bean, but this ain't going to be that. It's just going to be something just simple, okay? I had a rough week, so I'm trying to take it easy. See if I can put some more of this on here. I don't put a lot of salt on my pork products because it got a lot of salt in it. That's how they cure it. Alright. So, but you're welcome to do it if you want to. And plus that grease got some sodium in it, I'm quite sure of it. I told you I'm like a flavorful person. I like flavors more than salt. You can always put a little salt on it afterwards. So when you cook it for your peoples or whoever, take that into consideration. Alright, perfect blend. Remember, a quarter now on each side. Alright, we're going to rub that in. Press that on. That's it. So rub that in if you want to. Make it look pretty. See how pretty that look? Look like you can eat it right now, don't it? Okay guys, I'm letting my thing heat up, so I'm go ahead and wait on it to heat up till the little green light come on. Look like it's on now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys over there and show you what I'll be doing. Okay? In a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is deep fried. Gonna throw those bad boy in there. Like that. We're going to go ahead and close that lid up and let them cook. Okay? Excuse me. And that's it. Alright. So I'll be back in a minute when this stuff gets done. Okay? Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with these deep fried Boston butt pork steaks. This is how they look. And they taste good too. I'm tearing off a piece of the other one. Let me get that one. I gotta use that one from the top down. Okay? So here's that. I'll tell you good. Like you got a case of pea. There you go. Okay. Put that down. You guys, make sure you give me a like, share this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing you restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, I'll see you next time in Bell Dog's Kitchen. Let's get cooking.